Um, Welcome to Knowledge Chat channel. In this video, we will be discussing about a case study for the subject of Six Sigma. Already we have posted many case studies and also in Six Sigma we have posted a few case study videos. And today we will be discussing about a case study like that is related with Netflix company. That is, it is an MNC company, Netflix, and how they are optimizing the content delivery networks using the statistical process control. Is that the discussion is all about in this particular video. So first, we will have a small case study, and how we discuss in the class. A general case study will be done by our students, and then I will be discussing about a case study on Netflix, and then finally we will be closing this session. So let us go into the discussions on the case study made by our students, and then I will discuss about the case study on Netflix of how the Six Sigma is going to be used for optimizing this content delivery, that is CDN, okay, using the statistical process control, which is in short is called as SPC. So now going on to the class, okay. So we will move on with the class, okay, for you. Welcome to Knowledge Chat channel. Really very happy that here in this video we will be discussing about Six Sigma as well as Lean Sigma and different concepts related with the Six Sigma and Lean Sigma concepts. And to introduce myself, I am Dr. C. Uday Shankar, working as professor in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department at SNS College of Technology. And can you just introduce yourself to the audience? Yes.
Yes, sir. I am Raj Gobi, second year MBA student in SNS College of Technology with the specialization of marketing and logistics.
I am Janashri. I am currently pursuing my MBA at SNS College of Technology and at MBA department. And my specialization is finance and business analytics.
Myself Vasudevan, second MBA, SNS College of Technology. My specialization was HR and finance.
Yeah, that's a very nice introduction, and really very happy to have such a beautiful introduction. And yes, let's go into the today's session, and can you just explain what is the philosophy behind this Six Sigma concept?
Yes, sir. Six Sigma is the tool based on the process oriented. It is the mechanism of data driven approach.
To make the process?
Yes. To make the process, designed to make the process near the perfect. It nice. Is developed by the Motorola, which is located in the USA at the year of 1980s.
So really you have given a very nice introduction related with the philosophy as well as when it was found, related to the history also we have discussed. And can you just tell me which is the most important parameter in this particular Six Sigma concept?
In this Six Sigma concept, the variation is a enemy. If we can control the variation, we can also control the quality. And then these Sigma were used in the math and statistical process, and it has a DMAICA framework.
Okay, can you, okay, really you have given a very good overview of the parameter, that is variation, as well as maths and statistics playing a very vital role in finding this variation in order to achieve the better quality. So really good. And okay, and also you just told me that DMAIC is the framework, and can you just tell me the expansion of this DMAIC framework?
So define, measure, analyze, improve, control.
Yeah, so this is the five phase of which is used in the Six Sigma concept, that is the DMAIC. So this is a very important concept, and really very thankful. And as well, you know that there are two different concepts from the earlier. One is the Six Sigma concept, and another one is the Lean Sigma concept. Whereas Six Sigma concept focuses mainly on the quality. So it's focusing mainly on the quality, producing a good quality product without any defects. Those things are the prior criteria for the Six Sigma. Whereas if you go with there is another one concept which is called as the Lean Sigma. So Lean Sigma, in the sense, it is going to reduce the wastage. So there are many wastage in any industry. There are, as we have discussed in the previous videos, like 8 types of wastage is there, and abbreviations are there related to that. Anyway, I just don't want to go into the in-depth analysis of what is that things and all. But I just want to know when we can use this Lean Sigma concept.
The Lean Sigma concept, it helps to clean up the offices and reduce the waste, and it also helps to speed up the slow deliveries, and it also helps to give the rid of the pointless meetings. The
Good, good. So really, you have learned the correct things, which is this Lean Sigma concept is focusing on. And yes, can you just explain how this Six Sigma is going to? What are the different things which is going to focus? Yes.
Mainly focus on specific quality issue like high rate of product failure, and you need to prove why it's happening.
Okay. So Six Sigma and Lean Sigma both are different things which is focusing on different aspects and different concepts. But anyway, finally we have to produce a good quality product with reduced time, and actually there should not be any delay in processing and other things, and we should not waste our times as well. We should not put the non-utilized potential is a very important concept which has to be taken care of by the and what are we have also discussed in the previous videos related to the tools and other things we have discussed. And yes, can you just summarize of what we have discussed until now? Anyone can you just
Yes, sir. In this video, we have discussed about the what is the Six Sigma and what is Lean Sigma, and what are the process, and when the processes arise for the activities which is related to the quality and the waste management.
So each and everyone has contributed for this particular video in different explaining different concepts. So I hope this video will be very good, useful for the audience who are really very much interested in knowing the concepts behind the Six Sigma as well as the Lean Sigma. So yes, finally I just want to thank everyone for contributing to this video. So thank you very much for your time, and yes, thank you, and let's close this session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So moving on, I think we had a very nice discussion on a case study, and now I will be discussing about the Netflix. Okay, that is the buffer-free streaming via SPC. This is what the discussion is all about in my case study. So to maintain its position as a global stream leader, Netflix always treats the buffering and video lag as a critical process defects that directly impact the customer retention. See, by applying this SPC, that is Statistical Process Control, to its Open Connect Content Delivery Network, that is CDN, Netflix monitors the flow of petabytes of data with manufacturing level precision. And using this DMAIC framework, that is DMAIC framework, actually the engineers define the critical to quality metrics like time to first frame and rebuffer rates across different ISP networks. See, during the analyze phase, they utilize the control charts, specifically X bar and R charts, actually, to distinguish between the common cause network congestion and special cause server failures, actually. See, to improve the delivery, Netflix implements a lean strategy of predictive caking using the Poka-yoke, okay, that is the error proofing algorithms, to pre-position the popular content on edge servers closest to the user before they even click to play. See, in the control phase, these real-time SPC dashboards always allows the Netflix to lean out the distance between the data and the viewer, which ensures that even as the global traffic spikes, the process remains in control. See, by merging the Six Sigma rigor with edge computing, Netflix transforms a chaotic internet into a stable, high quality pipeline, providing that quality at source is the secret behind the world's most reliable digital experience. So, with this, I just conclude my today's session, and really very thankful for your patient listening. And if you have really like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you have any doubts, you can just post it in the comment section. And if you really feel that this particular video will be useful to someone, please share it as well. Subscribe to my channel by giving a support, so that I can understand that whatever videos I post on the channel is useful to you. So thank you very much for your support. Thank you.